I used my lip balm stick, the top of it, for the eye, and then my cotton ball light thing for the head, and I kind of cut it out around, and I used the horn part of my unicorn doll for the mouth and the feet, and then I used my coin wallet pouch for the body, and then a leaf from my house, and use it for the wings, and then I used a pencil rose part for the tail.
I use a mouse, and then for the tail I use the cream bottle, and for the wing I use a cone. For the foot I use a cream spoon, and for the head I use makeup thing, and then the eye I use a marble. The mouth on the bottom I use the earplug, and the mouth on the top I use the tip of a scissor.
Laptop charger. For the head I used a water bottle cap. For the eye I used a pearl, and for the mouth I used like a clip. Yeah.
And for the mouse part, I use knife from my kitchen, and the eye I use an apple. For its body, I use a chair, and there's a backpack on the chair. Then for the wing, I use the color paper at my house, and for the tail, I use my brush